Adding two numbers in Python. Welcome to lesson number 2, Introduction to Coding. In this video, I will show you how to create a program that asks a user to input two numbers and add them together, and a program that has 3 different operations. Before we get started, if you get stuck, check spelling, check parentheses, check indentation, check quotation marks, read the error message out loud, convert math input to float, and remember Python is a case-sensitive language. Objective: students will use input, convert strings to numbers, add two numbers, display results using print, and learn float versus int. The goal? We are building a program that asks the user for two numbers, adds them together, and displays the result. Int versus float. What's the difference? An int is a whole number, like 5, 10, or -3. A float is decimal, like 3.5, 2.75, or 0.1. Both convert text into numbers. Today we are using int because we are working with whole numbers. Step 1. Getting user input. In Python, we use input to ask the user for information. Here's an example. You can practice by typing this code into Trinket, then hit run. You can pause the video while you type. Input always stores information as text, also called a string. Why must we convert to numbers? If you try using code that looks like this, print num1 plus num2, you will get string combining instead of math. Here's an example. If the user enters 5 and 3, the output will be 53. This is why we must convert strings to integers using int. Converting to integers. Copy the code below into Trinket and press run. Now Python treats them as numbers. You can pause the video while you type. Adding the numbers. Type this into Trinket and then press run. You can pause the video while you type. This is the final program, program number 1. Copy this code into Trinket and press run. You can pause the video while you type. The final program should look like this. You did it! Keep going! Program with 3 different operations, part 2. Objective: students will perform addition, perform subtraction, and perform multiplication or division. The goal? We will ask for 2 numbers, perform 3 operations, and display the results. Start with input. This is your input. Type it into Trinket. You can pause the video while you type. Create 3 operations. Type this into Trinket underneath your last code. Optional, you could swap multiplication for division. You can pause the video while you type. Display the results. Copy this code into Trinket under the last code you entered. Once again, you can pause the video while you type. The final program, program number 2. Copy this into Trinket and press Run. You can pause the video while you type. The final program should look like this. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.